We're looking at a copy, advanced copy of the Whipple engine, which is a centrifugal flow compression of a jet engine. It was one of the first jet engines used. It was used on the F-80 and it was used on the T-33s. This engine now is presently used not for jet propulsion, but for generation of both electrical and high pressure air for the 747 and 727 aircraft. The air starts, is ducted into the hot chamber where it is ignited and then proceeds up in a centrifugal flow path up to the exhaust of the thing, which is sideways out of the engine itself. It drives a common shaft which drives a compressor section for the turbine itself, which then compresses the air which is used for the starter sequence on the other jet engine and for the air conditioning. The section in front is the auxiliary section for the generator for electrical energy, cooling fan for the jet engine itself, a gearbox, and auxiliary parts which are necessary for this engine to operate.